Afternoon PM Path Chat covering metals. This is Bob Iacchino along with Mike Arnold as always from Path Trading Partners. Really quickly, Mike is going to show you some price action on copper, gold, and silver. Copper really in no man's land today. It started off the day a little bit lower, then rallied up, then fell in toward the end of the day. Didn't really make much of a move at all. Ended up around that 269 level. There is continued talk about the mine strike in Chile, but no real movement on it and no real news on the Indonesian permits. We do have stockpiles in China increasing, and the LME, the London Metals Exchange, showed a decrease of about 30,000 tons in copper stockpiles. But we're hearing rumors of increased stockpiles in China, which we can't really verify to an exact tonnage. Gold and silver moved in concert, as precious metals tend to do, even though, as you know, silver does have industrial uses. But they moved like precious metals today, both dropping just under 0.5%. Not a really big deal in terms of the actual movement. However, gold did make fresh 3-month highs today, so that was significant. Silver followed along with it and then fell as it got in toward the end of the day. Let me turn it over to Mike to show you what he is seeing in terms of price action.
Okay, thank you, Bob. So, copper. We've come back up. We've rallied actually to the 37.5 Gann level and also kissing this trend line goodbye. At this point, we have an official trend line redraw to right there. This is the new defining point, which virtually comes in at the same level as the 50-day exponential, which if we can get really a close below that and then a close below this significant level, we are trading into an advanced clear path move. So if that's going to set up, we will update you again. Next, if we do continue to rally higher, the next level is the 273 level, and then approximately 275 level, somewhere right in there. We might get support from this rising trend line, but if we rotate lower, I'm looking to first test a 265 level, which is also going to come in with trend line support. And if we get a close below the trend line, we would target the defining point, which is 263. Over to gold. Gold, very interesting. We talked about the 200-day exponential or 200-day simple moving average and the significant level. You see today we rallied up straight to those levels and then closed lower. So that is pretty significant. If we continue to pull back further, we're going to be looking for key support right around the 1246.40 significant level, possibly the 1242.50 area also. We do also have a rising trend line, which could also be support, and we have the rising rotation zone, so watch for those. Turning back higher, should we rally again, we're looking for another retest of right around today's high in the 264.50 to 265 mark, and if we get above there, we're looking to tackle the 1278.40 mark. Silver. Silver. Didn't quite get up to its significant level target before reversing and pulling back. We did close back below the 100% measured move. I don't have a way to update the Gann levels just yet because we haven't made the correct pattern. We do have a nice fanning out in a Gann style of trend lines, which are providing cascading support rising, and we do have the rising rotation zone. If we continue to pull back further, watch for a pullback to the 1816 level, and then there is a fair amount of support from the $18 mark to about the 1810, where we got a trend line and the 8 coming in and everything else. So we should see substantial support there. If we turn back higher, watch for us to target the 1858, 1860 area, and then if we continue our run up from there, watch for the 1899 to $19 level. That's all I have for you in the metals update today, Bob. Back to you.
Thank you, Michael. Please click the like button if you're enjoying these videos. Also, click the red subscribe button, and when you do, there will be a little bell icon that comes up. Click that as well, and this way YouTube will alert you when we have a new video out. These videos are time sensitive, at least in terms of the Path Chat videos. Also, we would love it if you would subscribe to our podcast, the Money Path Podcast. Fresh one released this Saturday. We do kind of a fun review of the naked chicken chalupa, and then we talk about market effects and individual stocks and commodities and securities. You can find that on iTunes by typing in the Money Path Podcast. Also new, you can also find it on Google Play. Just type in the Money Path Podcast on Google Play in the search bar, or you can find it at our website, pathtradingpartners.com. Leave a comment on one of these videos or shoot us an email if you'd like to talk to us about something, support@pathtradingpartners.com. Also, please like our Facebook page, Path Trading Partners, and follow us on Twitter, path_trading. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching.